So now let's see the instruction SUBM. For this instruction, the first part is opcode, that is SUB. The remaining part is operand, that is M. In this instruction, no data is present. It means this instruction is 1 byte. Now let's see the meaning of the instruction SUBM. SUBM means subtract the content of memory location from accumulator. Subtract content of memory location from accumulator and answer will be stored in the accumulator. But the question is which memory location? So whenever in the instruction M is specified, it means the memory location specified in HL pair. Okay? Let's see one example. Suppose the example is SUBM. Before the execution, the content of accumulator is 33H in hexadecimal. It is also represented in the binary. Before the execution, the content of HL pair is 4000H. Now, what is the meaning of sub M? It means subtract content of memory location from accumulator and answer will be stored in the accumulator. Now, what is the content of memory location? So we know that whenever the instruction M is present, it means the memory location specified in HL pair. So in HL pair, which memory location is specified? 4000H. So what is the content of 4000H? It is 32H. So when this instruction is executed sub M, it means subtract the content of memory location specified in HL pair from accumulator and answer will be stored in the accumulator. Now to perform the subtraction, the processor will use 2's complement. So to subtract the content of memory location from accumulator, the microprocessor will first convert the content of memory location in 2's complement form. So this is the binary representation of 32H. Let's represent in 2's complement. To convert 2's complement, we have to first convert this number into 1's complement. So if you convert this number into 1's complement, you will get something like this. For 2's complement, it is 1's complement plus 1. So if you do 1's complement plus 1, you will get 1, 0. So this is the 2's complement representation of the number which is stored in the memory location. After that, the microprocessor will perform the addition. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1. After performing the subtraction, whatever the carry we are getting, the microprocessor will perform complement of it. So right now we are getting carry as 1. Microprocessor will complement that carry and in answer we will get 0 as carry. And if you convert this number into hexadecimal, you will get 0, 1H. So after the execution in the accumulator, 0, 1H, that is the answer will be stored. What will be the content of HL pair? So after the execution, the content of HL pair will remain unchanged, that is 4000H. Now, after the subtract instruction, if we are getting 0 in the carry, it means the answer is positive and it is in original form. After the subtract instruction, if we are getting 1 in the carry, it means the answer is negative and it is in 2's complement form. So you have to note it down that when the carry is 0, after the execution of this instruction, the answer is positive. It means the answer is positive and it is in original form. After the execution of the subtract instruction, if the content of carry flag is 1, it means the answer is negative and it is in 2's complement form. Okay? Now let's see the machine cycle. This instruction is of 1 byte. So when this instruction is stored in the memory, it will occupy only one memory location, that is SUBM. After this instruction is stored in the memory, the processor will start doing its task, that is to fetch, decode and execute. To fetch the instruction, the processor will perform the first machine cycle, that is opcode fetch. When opcode fetch is performed, this whole instruction is transferred from the memory to microprocessor. Then processor will decode and it will execute. Now let's pay attention in the execution. In the execution, what is happening that the subtraction is being done between the accumulator and the content of memory location. Now the content of memory location is not yet read by the microprocessor. To perform the subtraction between the accumulator and the content of memory location, the processor has to transfer that data to the microprocessor. And to transfer, the processor will perform the machine cycle memory read. When memory read is done, this data will be transferred to the microprocessor. Processor will perform subtract and answer will be stored in the accumulator. So only two machine cycles are needed, that is opcode fetch plus memory read. Because this instruction is arithmetic instruction, all the flags will be affected according to the result.